G'day folks, I'm Benno. We're heading out today for a bit of a ride. The sun's out. We're going to have a look at some gate guardians. So stay tuned for that. And don't forget, if you haven't subscribed, hit the subscribe button, give us a like, and drop us a comment. Like, really like to hear what you've got to say about these videos.
I had to pick my son up from the airport a couple of days ago, and while I was there, I got a tourist guide. I've heard lots of things around here I didn't actually know existed. Big little spot out here at the front of the barracks. Nice little pond, a few ducks down there. But this is the gate guardian at Gaza Ridge Barracks. Would have packed a wallop in its day. Probably still would if it had fire. I don't know what the go is there. Yeah, and whoever's there's down there, they're still watching me. See, there's a red car down there. Came up and pulled up behind me. Just watching what I'm doing. Yeah. Alright, so there, yeah, that's the gate guardian at Gaza Ridge Barracks. So guys, if you're liking this stuff, let me know. Drop us a comment. Yeah, and the car's still up there watching me. Oh dear. Yeah, it's speed actually. Just noticing that it is knocking my helmet around a fair bit, and it's making my vision go funny. So we can't have that. Just passing Latchford Barracks. I don't know if they've got a guardian on this one. Yes, they do. So guys, there's a heap of different barracks around this area. It was a huge military area at one stage, still is to a degree, but since the 1st Division moved up north out near Darwin, I don't really know what they're doing out here these days. But this is a gate guardian. This is, does it say what it is? No, it doesn't. I'd take a guess. Look, I'd say possibly howitzers, but I really don't know. So, you know, any of you ARTY guys, ex-ARTY guys, can tell me what these particular cannon are. Well, it's got a lot of its sighting gear still on it. That's interesting. There's two of these guys here. So that's the gate guardians at, this is Balcombe. Guard at the gate just told me there's another one not far from here. They've got a leopard as a gate guardian, so leopard tank that is, not a leopard animal. There we go, it's White's Road. Apparently this is where the gate guardian that is a leopard tank is located, down here somewhere. There we go. There's a couple of them. Beautiful. Well, let's go to the camo one because that is in the sunshine.
Hope you enjoyed that. We're going to have a closer look at these tanks tomorrow in episode 2, so stay tuned for that one. If you like this stuff, give us a thumbs up, drop us a comment, and if you haven't subscribed already, hit that subscribe button. Catches.